and welcome to the webinar. I'm excited to get a chance to share some incredible information with all of you from all over the world. I'm so happy that you've taken some time to listen to this information that could very well change the course of your life forever. Now I'm going to share with you today an opportunity that by far will give you the best advantage of creating financial freedom than any business venture or opportunity that I've ever seen in my 20-year professional business career. The name of our company is FG Express. We're a new division of a very solid 10-year-old company out of Utah by the name of Forever Green International. Now we're a brand new division, so we have the strength and security of a long-term company with a ground floor opportunity. And folks, right now we're in pre-launch. This means that you're in early, and that puts you at the top. This is where you obviously want to be when the opportunity is first gaining its momentum. Even though we're in pre-launch, guys, we're still shipping products and we're still paying huge commissions and bonuses every single week. Now there's three key points that we call the big three here at FG Express. These points are the three top reasons that so many people are flocking to this opportunity. These three things have never been done before in the history of direct sales. Number one is the company is doing business and able to do business in 190 countries at once. You can now launch a truly global business from day one. Now this is huge because people all over the world are looking for ways to earn income. In most companies, you're lucky if you go into one or two countries, but we're the first to be able to launch globally. And did you know that more than 50,000 people start a home-based business every single day from all over the world? There are people on the computer right now, just like you and me, looking to start a home-based business. That alone is an important point because if you know anything about this industry, the people who are making the big money aren't making it just from the U.S. They're making it from the U.S. and Asia and Central America and Japan and Europe and Canada and all over the world. And it has me very excited because we no longer live in a national economy. We live in a global economy because we're the first ever borderless direct sales company. Now the best part about this is that we ship anywhere in the world for less than $5. Most companies can't ship across the state for less than $20, and we're shipping anywhere around the world for $4.95. Now number two of the big three is our product. We have a true category creator. It is a patented product formulated by doctors and it's exclusive to us. In other words, it can't be copied and nobody will ever be able to offer this but us. Unlike the hundreds of companies who share similar product lines, we don't have any competition in our industry whatsoever. The product is called the Power Strip. It's an all-natural product worn like a patch and it's proven to relieve all types of bodily pain. Whether you suffer from cramps or carpal tunnel, pain from arthritis, type 2 diabetes, headaches or migraines, maybe fibromyalgia or gout or tennis elbow or maybe some other types of sports injuries, you name it, any kind of pain. Now this product works on every single person. In most cases it's going to work in a matter of minutes to an hour and in some cases a few days depending on the severity of the pain. The point is that it works on everybody and pain is universal. Everyone in the world has pain or knows somebody who does. Folks, pain is a $650 billion a year business and we have something that is exclusive to us that really works. Think about all the people spending hundreds of dollars on pain meds and then spending thousands of dollars to get off the addiction from it. We have an all-natural product here that fills a huge need. Now here's the best part. The product is listed by the FDA as a Class 1 medical device. This is huge. Never before in the history of direct sales has the FDA ever listed a product. We are the first. Actually, you can go to their website and see our product listing by them. The Power Strip is also listed as a cosmetic. This means we can tell people that it will improve the look and the feel of their skin. We have people taking this Power Strip, cutting it into 4 pieces and putting it across their forehead, across their chin, and across their cheeks, and it's taking away the wrinkles. It helps to get rid of warts and acne and many other skin problems. Another thing people are using it for, gang, is cellulite and varicose veins. You place this strip right on your leg, and 2 to 3 days later, you can't even see those spider veins at all. It's amazing. Now, we don't make any claims that this product is curing any diseases, but it is certainly having a very positive impact on the people who are using it. So let's talk about how and why it works. There are 4 main ingredients on the Power Strip. On the outside of this Power Strip, it's laced with small germanium crystals. Germanium is a mineral with optical properties that affect heat and thermal energy. Now, we all know the body emits heat. When it emits this heat, it hits the Power Strip, and those germanium crystals reflect long-wave heat back into the body using far infrared technology, creating nitric oxide. This increases blood flow and circulation, which is very helpful in getting rid of pain. Think of a glass prism as light passes through it. The light is dispersed into different wavelengths or colors with different spectral energies. Well, just like the light and a prism, there's a similar effect with heat and germanium. Now, the underbelly of the Power Strip has 3 incredible ingredients. One is called ionic silver, which is known to be an antiviral. Silver ions can attack anywhere around the bacterial cell wall so that bacteria can adapt and is unlikely to develop resistance. Then there is Korean red ginseng. There are many scientific studies proving Korean red ginseng will relieve pain and relieve stress. This is one of the top adaptogens in the world. It's also a popular detoxifier and can trigger the production of white blood cells in the body, which in turn improves immunity. Now, we also have the most perfect food in the world called marine phytoplankton. This supercharged microalgae is a living food and enzyme active. It contains every known mineral and all of the amino acids our body needs to achieve optimal health. This particular marine phytoplankton is exclusive to us. We actually have our own $30 million sea farm where this is grown up in Canada off of the coast of Vancouver Island. Folks, marine phytoplankton, again, is the most perfect food in the world because it's full of vitamins and minerals and amino acids, omega-3s, omega-6s, and protein, and it's all on the Power Strip. Let me also say that there is a huge benefit to wearing the Power Strip even if you don't have any pain or cosmetic issues. As heat interacts with tissues and vessels, they dilate. This allows the vessels to carry increased blood, oxygen, and the nutrition to the cells much easier. So gang, we've got 2 incredible industries covered here. A $650 billion pain industry and a $260 billion cosmetic industry. That's nearly $1 trillion in 2 industries. As you can see, we have a huge marketplace and an exclusive product that fills that need in a very natural way. Now that leads us to number 3 of our big 3, the compensation plan. This comp plan has been specifically designed for fast global expansion. It's by far the most generous payout that I've ever seen in this industry. Now our comp plan pays out 62% of every dollar that comes in. This has never been done before in the history of direct sales. We are the first. And the reason that people are making so much money here is because they're getting paid 20, 30, and 40% more than many other companies out there. Now there's 5 ways that we actually get paid, and we get paid every week. But the great thing here, gang, is there is no selling involved. What we do is give away samples of the Power Strip, and when they come back to you and say, hey, how do I get this? You simply direct them to your website, and they place an order. Now every time somebody does this, you earn a 25% fast start bonus. I like to call the fast start bonus a referral fee. Every time you refer somebody or enroll somebody, you're getting 25% of their initial order on every order that they make in their first 4 weeks. Now that could be $25 or $50 or it could be a few $100s. Another way we earn money is through our team bonus. Everyone you refer goes into our left or your right sales team. It's a dual team builder concept, otherwise known as a binary. We don't have to build 3 or 4 or 5 teams here. We just build 2. This creates unity and stability of long-term residual income. Everybody you refer goes into either your left or right sales team. Every single week, the company's computer is going to search down your left and right teams, and based on what it finds, it's going to pay you up to $20,000 a week. Not a month or a year year, but a week. $20,000 a week times 4 is $80,000 a month. Now, how that's determined is very simple. We pay 12% on the smallest side, which is huge. Most companies pay 8%, and if you're lucky, maybe 10%, and we pay 12%. Now, the opportunity to earn $80,000 a month is amazing, but the big money you're going to earn here is from our check matching bonus. On every single person you personally enroll, you have an opportunity to earn a check match every week on their team commissions for the rest of your life and their life. In other words, say you referred me to the business, and let's say I made $10,000 this week from my team bonus. You can earn up to 50% of the 10 grand because you referred me to the business. 50% of 10 grand, $5,000, just for referring me. Now, you also have the opportunity to earn 25% on the people that I refer, then 15% on the people they refer, and 10% on the people they refer. Folks, a 4-level check match from 50, 25, 15, and 10% is unheard of, and we have it. We have people making more in 1 week than they were making a month or even 2 months at their previous companies. So that's our Fast Start bonus, our team bonus, and our check matching bonuses. We also have what we call an X-Tribe bonus for assembling a team of 10 people. You start your X-Tribe by enrolling your first 4 team members, then you simply help them enroll their first 2. Once you've assembled 10 team members and accumulated 1,000 points in qualified volume, you are now X-Tribe qualified and you earn an additional $200 a month. Keep your X-Tribe together and active and you'll receive a $200 bonus every single month. And then we have our rank advancement bonus. This is even more money you earn for moving up the ranks in our compensation plan. These cash bonuses start at $500 and go all the way up to $25,000. That's an additional $43,500 you can earn just by moving through the ranks. Gang, the amount of money available on our compensation plan is incredible. So let's recap the big 3. Never before in the history of direct sales or network marketing has any company ever opened 190 countries all at once. We are the first. Number 2, never in the history of this industry has there ever been a product that is listed with the FDA. We are the first. And number 3, never in the history of this industry has a company paid out a true 62% on every dollar they take in. We are the first. So now that you understand the big 3 and how powerful this opportunity is, let's talk about how you get started. First, I'd like to talk about our lateral packs. These range from $499 to $1,996. You get 150 power strips for $499, 300 power strips for $998, 450 power strips for $1,497, and 600 power strips for $1,996. Now with our 4 options, you'll be able to choose the one that's right for you. Now because you have invested into your business on one of our lateral packs, the company is going to reward you with a higher rank in the plan the day you enroll. For the first 90 days, you have the opportunity to earn all of the bonuses. Remember the matching bonuses we just talked about? Well, you get that at the rank of 2-star in the plan. When you get started on a lateral pack, you're automatically 2-star from day 1. Essentially, you're starting at the top. And most people don't want to start at the bottom. I know I didn't. So by purchasing one of the 4 lateral options, you have a huge advantage in launching your business and making money fast. These packs are designed for the people who truly understand what they have their hands on. They realize that they need as many samples as they can get to launch their business in a big way. It just makes sense. Now we also have our non-lateral business packs for $69.95 or $139.95. $69.95 is a 1-pack of 15 plus 3 free for a total of 18 power strips. The $139.95 is a 2-pack of 30 plus 6 free for a total of 36 power strips. Now, there's a one-time enrollment fee of $12, your tax, your shipping, and you're in business. The only problem with these 2 packs is that you're risking running out of samples in your very first week. If you were opening a restaurant, would you want to buy enough food for 7 days? Of course you wouldn't. Choose the pack that's right for you. If you really want to launch your business, then I suggest choosing one of our 4 lateral packs. Think about that, guys. Say you enroll me and I made $10,000 in team commissions in my first 90 days. Because you purchased one of our lateral packs, out of my $10,000, you make 25% from check match, which equals $2,500, so it paid for itself. Now, if you start at the 69 or the 139, what do you get from the check match bonus? You get 0 because you did not lateral in. So with the lateral packs, you have a lot more samples to hand out, and they pay for themselves with all the extra money you make. Gang, we are enrolling people like crazy every single day. In my 12 years in this industry, I've never witnessed such a fast-moving business model. This is because we're doing everything through webinars just like this, or phone conferences, or Google Hangouts, or through Facebook and other social media outlets. The days of having to invite people to your home for a meeting or to a hotel for some fancy presentation are long in the past. We will teach you how our turnkey system works and how it will work for you. If you can send a text, send an email, or get people on a phone call or a webinar just like this, you can have the same incredible success our top leaders are experiencing. So as we finish up, I'd like to remind you to thank the person who invited you here today, because they thought enough of you to show you this ground floor opportunity. The company is exploding. We've grown over 280% in the last year, and we're growing by more than 11% a week. There's only one thing you got to do, and that's get your position and join the team today. You definitely want to be as close to the top as possible as we continue to grow exponentially all over the world, and you definitely want to be in position to benefit from this. Now, before I let you go, I'd like to give you a website to go to. We've covered a lot of information here today, and this website will tie it all together for you if you have any questions. So here it is, www.fgxinfopack.com. I recommend watching all of these videos in order. I want to thank you all for joining us today. Get back with the person who invited you to this webinar and let them know that you're ready to launch your business. On behalf of Team X190, I'd like to say welcome to FG Express and welcome home. Have a great day, everybody, and God bless.